Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar-free lollipops. First, gather your ingredients, including a sugar substitute like erythritol or xylitol, water, and your favorite flavor extracts. Next, prepare your lollipop molds by placing them on a heat-resistant surface and inserting the lollipop sticks. Make sure all your tools, like a saucepan and candy thermometer, are clean and ready for use before you begin the cooking process. Now, let's cook the mixture. Combine your sugar substitute and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium heat. Stir gently until the sugar substitute completely dissolves. Insert a candy thermometer and continue to heat the mixture without stirring until it reaches a hard crack stage, which is precisely 300 degrees F. This temperature is crucial for achieving the correct lollipop texture. Once the mixture reaches 300 degrees F, remove it from the heat and carefully stir in your desired flavor extract. Work quickly, as the mixture will begin to cool and thicken. Immediately and carefully pour the hot liquid into your prepared lollipop molds, ensuring the sticks are centered. Let the lollipops cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely hard and firm. After your lollipops have fully cooled and hardened, gently remove them from their molds. To maintain their quality and prevent them from becoming sticky, store your homemade sugar-free lollipops in an airtight container. Keep the container in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or humidity. Now you can enjoy your delicious, guilt-free, sugar-free lollipops anytime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.